Use solar energy now. Use solar energy now to reduce dependency over grid and cut your monthly electric bills up to 90% for next 25 years by installation of solar power plant. The biggest problem in embracing solar had been its upfront cost. Solar PV cells are relatively expensive and pivotal in increasing the cost of manufacturing of solar PV modules. By using solar power generation devices like solar cells, solar PV modules, solar DC wire, solar DC connectors, solar charge controllers, solar batteries and solar inverters, we are able to harness the sunlight into DC electricity. Sunlight is available freely and in abundance to the mankind. Sun is free source of energy which is available consistently and coherently to the universe. With the invention of various technologies, we have been producing electricity by use of fossil fuels which are available succinctly and slated to be exhausted completely. Moreover, use of fossil fuels emits harmful gases for our environment which is hazardous to our health. Modern science and research has proved that solar energy is the boon to mankind for generating DC electricity to power up our premises load. It does not emit harmful and hazardous gases as well as it is environment friendly. What is solar energy? First thing first, we have to first learn what is solar energy. Solar energy has proved to be a good substitute to switch from fossil fuel. This being main source of energy is renewable in nature. Solar power is available at absolutely no cost to supply energy substantially. How solar energy works. It can be defined as producing solar power by harnessing the sunlight through solar photovoltaic modules. Solar panel works by allowing sunlight to hit electrons free from atoms, thus generating a flow of DC electricity. Solar panels may comprise of many small photovoltaic cells. Solar energy is defined to be clean source of energy. Solar energy is clean source of energy. It is acronym as renewable in nature. While generating electricity from solar power, generating devices do not emit any harmful or hazardous gases. By use of solar energy, our atmosphere and planet environment remains unpolluted. Use of it for generation of electricity is an unending source of renewable energy. In one or other way, the electricity generated from solar panels become very much important energy source for our planet to meet the demand and supply gap. Its global use has become moreover an important factor for global movement of clean, green renewable energy production. Use this reliable source of energy. Solar energy is arguably the cleanest and most reliable form of renewable energy available in this universe. It can be used in several forms to help power your home, schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, business and commercial venture. Solar photovoltaic modules convert the sunlight into usable DC electricity by exciting electrons in silicon cells while using the photons of light from the sun. Why use solar energy in India now? Use of solar energy power plant is slowly gaining momentum and popularity in India. Earlier 5 years back, it was not much prevalent, however it has now become more affordable and easier to adopt solar technology at home and business premises. Awareness helps increasing use of solar energy now. India is emerging as global hub for spreading awareness for use and usage of solar energy, though its global headquarter in Delhi. House owners, institutions, schools, colleges, universities, shopkeepers, merchants, commercial ventures, almost all streams of people are adopting this clean green source of energy. Use solar energy now to save money. On-grid solar energy system may help you to reduce your electricity bills up to 90% for next 25 years. An average household may expect to spend R$5,000 monthly electric bill, which of course would become an annual expenditure of R$60,000 approximately. A 5 kWp plant will be able to produce 7,200 units annually. Calculation further would prove that it may save R$57,600 annually while taking into account R$8 per unit on average. Within 4-5 years, return of investment may be expected to compensate initial investment upfront cost of the system. Solar energy system require minimal maintenance. On-grid power plant may not require any sort of maintenance except cleaning in a while. Solar systems are not comprised of any motorized parts, hence would not require any maintenance except periodical cleaning of solar panels. Regular or periodical cleaning of solar panels helps in increasing its overall performance. Use solar energy now to reduce dependency over grid. Installing solar energy system makes you self-reliant in the matter of power generation. You will be less dependent upon local power companies, DISCOM, utility provider for your electricity requirement. By generating electricity from this system, you may get uninterrupted power supply and cheaper electricity throughout the day. You may like to generate DC electricity from this system to store the same in DC batteries so that it could be used during grid failure. Solar energy performance and efficiency. By generating electricity from solar power plants, you have already proved that you are using the most effective and efficient way. Solar panels as a main component of solar power plant are guaranteed to perform at least 25 years as linear warranty. Presently used solar photovoltaic modules are also guaranteed to be efficient, ranging from 15 to 21%. Use solar energy now to get solar generation incentives. Grid-connected solar rooftop, GCRT, is a government-backed scheme while offering 30% solar subsidy by MNRE. Other than this, various state governments in India have declared solar generation incentives. Haryana government via its new solar energy policy has declared to provide R/S.1 per unit solar generation incentive along with 30% solar subsidy on benchmark cost. Use solar energy now to be environment friendly. Solar generation devices like solar PV panels do not emit any harmful gases or waste which may become hazardous to our environment. Power companies using fossil fuels produce harmful gases which is deterrent to clean environment. Use of solar system is simple, less expensive, clean and all around the best energy solution. Use solar energy now to reduce electrical bills up to 90%. By using on-grid solar system along with net metering, you may reduce your electric bill up to 90% for 300 clear sunny days in India. It has now become possible to reduce your monthly electric bills almost up to 90% or no electric bill at all. Dayrise Solar Energy Private Limited, pioneer in solar power plant in Sonipat, Haryana. Dayrise Solar Energy Private Limited is the leading organization in the field of renewable energy associated with some leading companies in the power sector of India and is proud to be among the list of top solar energy company in Haryana with its focus on designing, engineering, manufacturing, supplying, installing, testing and commissioning any kind of solar photovoltaic plants, equipment and systems that cater to both domestic, institutional, social and industrial needs. Strong vision coupled with professional and ethical business practices have helped the organization to achieve good position in the markets it serves in Sonipat, Haryana, India. Dayrise Solar Energy Private Limited, solar power plant installer in Sonipat, Haryana. As part of its growth strategy, Dayrise Solar ventured into reliable qualitative technology with highly skilled and trained manpower. Dayrise Solar has set up a state-of-the-art solar energy showroom with service facilities at Sonipat, Haryana, India while providing solar energy services to all districts of Haryana as well as Delhi NCR. The organization is an ISO 14001-2015 and OSAS 18001-2007 certified facility for design, engineering, installation and commissioning of rooftop, ground-mounted grid-tied, hybrid and off-grid solar power plant systems. Contact Dayrise Solar Energy Private Limited for solar panels in Sonipat, Haryana, India. The expert team of the Dayrise Solar may be approached through the contact page of the company's website or by official telephonic communication. Contact Dayrise Solar whenever you wish to know anything about solar power plant in Sonipat, Haryana or ways to get good offers while you contemplate to install solar power plant. Contact extremely skilled and expert group of Dayrise Solar by way of its website's contact page for any question associated to solar solar energy, solar subsidy, solar power, solar products, design, installation and commissioning of on-grid, off-grid rooftop, ground-mounted solar power plants throughout Haryana and Delhi NCR. Qualified skilled team of Rise Solar might help you in processing of subsidy utility, bidirectional meter utility and uploading of all related documents.